In this video, I'll show you how to create AI conversations with ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and log in to your account. Depending on the current tools available, look for the conversational AI or voice agent features. To create a conversation, start by deciding who your speakers are. You might create a customer and support agent, two characters, a host and guest, or another type of dialogue. Next, prepare the conversation flow. Write the lines each speaker should say and decide how the interaction should progress. Choose appropriate voices for each participant. Giving each speaker a different voice can make the conversation easier to follow and more realistic. Now configure the conversation or voice agent using the available settings. If the tool supports instructions, define how the AI should respond, what role it should play, and what type of tone it should use. Test the conversation by interacting with the system. Listen to how each voice responds and check whether the dialogue feels natural. If necessary, adjust the instructions, voices, or conversation flow and test again. Once everything sounds good, you can use the generated conversation for demonstrations, training content, creative projects, or other supported use cases. And that's how you can create AI conversations with ElevenLabs.